Okay, so for this exercise, we're working on blending it more. So again, I can start here, make it super dark. And the left end of the scale will still stay pretty light till the point where you're not using the pencil. So I'm matching the squares on the top, but I'm making sure that there's a gradual blending. So this matches that square, and then this one will match this square. And I like to use just like a rounded strokes. Again, if it goes outside the lines, really not a big deal. You can just erase it after. Sometimes you'll just maybe want to go outside the lines. So just until I know that this part is gonna match that part. And you can always go back. It doesn't exactly have to match that square at the top, but you should see a gradual darkening to lightening. And really it's just because I'm solid here. I'm filling in all the white space, and then I'm decreasing the pressure of my hand as I go, and I'm sketching very lightly. And I don't go in a straight line, I sort of do these circles. Try not to use the tip of your pencil, using the side is going to help you get a lot more even shading. You can keep going back into that, decreasing pressure. And this won't be perfect for the sake of the demonstration. I just want to sort of give you an idea. And the goal is really just everything's even at the end. There's not a lot of white space. Again, monitor your pressure. It's always better to start off slow, because once you make that mistake, again, you can't really go back. And as you start going more into sketching exercises, you'll realize how much those lighter pressures help you, to the point where you won't even really need an eraser. You'll just be able to map out your drawings and then darken once you know that it's perfect. So I like to say, start off with those whisper sketches. Imagine that you don't even have an eraser, and then just take it from there. So you don't want to see any sharp contrast lines. It's getting a bit sharp here. So I want to try to blend that out. Leaving it white there. And you can even like probably smudge it at the end just to get things smooth and crisp. But I think as much as you can use your eraser, or sorry, your finger pencil, better. And then just to make it look nice when you hand it in, you can erase any of those lines afterwards. So page 1 of your sketchbook would show the value scale darkening, gradually going lighter, and then the second one would be a box that would also show lighter but blended. And I would like this to be a lot bigger. I sort of just did this as 1 centimeter, but if you can do maybe even 1 inch by 1 inch, it doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that. but just bigger is better.